Yes friends, good morning. Next video from our series, that is from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes. Friends, this video is from first year zoology, that is from unit 4. What is our question, friends? Describe the structure of heart of frog. Friends, you have to describe about what, friends? Heart of frog. This is a 4 marks question, friends, short question. One of the important question, friends. See, friends, heart is an organ. It pumps blood to various body parts. Now you see the structure of heart of frog, friends. See, friends, heart of frog is present in the anterior ventral part of the body cavity. See, friends, this is our body cavity. For example, you see, this is anterior and ventral. See, heart of frog is present on the anterior ventral part of the body cavity. Anterior ventral part of the body cavity. Anterior side and ventral side, you have to remember it, friends. You have to separate these two words, friends. Anterior side and the ventral side. Anterior ventral side of the body cavity. See, friends, this is a dorsal side. Here the heart of all vertebrates is present on the ventral side in the anterior body cavity. Friends, once again, it is present on the anterior ventral part of the body cavity. Next, friends, what is its shape? It is triangular in shape. Friends, the heart of frog is, friends, triangular in shape. See, friends, triangular in shape. It is a pumping organ. Shape is triangular, friends. It pumps the blood to various body parts. So what we are saying is a pumping organ. Next, it is made up of muscles. It is a muscular organ. Friends, heart is made up of cardiac muscles. It is a muscular organ. Next, friends, how many chambers are there in the heart of frog? The heart of frog, or the amphibian heart. Frog is an amphibian, friends. It has 3 chambers. It has 3 chambers. What are those 3 chambers, friends? 2 atria and 1 ventricle. See, friends, heart of fish has 2 chambers. Heart of amphibians or frog has 3 chambers. Heart of reptiles has 3.5 chambers. Heart of birds and mammals has 4 chambers. You have to remember it, friends. Okay. So here, frog's heart has 3 chambers. What are those 3 chambers? 2 atria and 1 ventricle. Then come to what are atria, friends? The upper 2 chambers are atria and lower single chamber is ventricle. See, friends, the upper 2 chambers are atria and lower single chamber is ventricle. Here you see, friends. See, friends. See, this is the heart of frog. Here how many chambers are there in the upper side? Upper side it has 2 chambers. These 2 are atria and the lower single ventricle. See, friends, atria are 2. This is right atrium, this is left atrium. See, friends, if you see our heart, it is like this, If you see, it is like this, friends. You see, keep your heart like this. This is right atrium, this is left atrium. Right atrium, left atrium and ventricle. Upper 2 chambers are atria. Lower single chamber is ventricle. See, friends, how many ventricles are there here? Only 1. Amphibians or frog has only 1 ventricle. Whereas mammals have 2 ventricles. You have to remember it, friends. We have 2 ventricles, but frog has only 1 ventricle. Frog's heart has 3 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are atria. Lower single chamber is called as what, friends? Ventricle. What its shape? It is triangular in shape. It is a muscular organ. It is a pumping organ. Okay, friends. Next, come to friends. Next, friends. This heart is covered by a double-layered membrane called pericardium. Friends, heart of frog or heart of all vertebrates is covered by a double-layered membrane that is called as pericardium. Friends, peri means around. Cardium means heart. Cardiology. Study of heart is called as cardiology. Here pericardium is the layer which is present around the heart. This pericardium is what, friends? It is a double layered membrane. Heart of frog is covered by a double layered membrane. It is called as pericardium. Pericardium. It is a double layered membrane. Okay, friends? Now, friends, next you have to remember one more important point. Sinus venosus. Friends, sinus venosus is present in fishes, amphibians and reptiles. Friends, you have to remember it. Fishes, amphibians and reptiles. Here, what is sinus venosus? See, friends, venous indicates, friends, veins are the blood vessels which carry impure blood. Like that, here to remember sinus venosus. It is a triangular chamber present on the dorsal side of the heart. Friends, sorry, here it is dorsal side of the, not right heart, friends. Dorsal side of the heart. Friends, dorsal side of the heart and opens into the right atrium. See, friends, what is sinus venosus? It is a triangular shaped chamber. It is present on the dorsal side of the heart. It opens into the right atrium. See, friends, here there is an image. See, friends, this one, how it is? It is triangular in shape. It is present on the dorsal side of the heart. What is sinus venosus, friends? It is a bag-like structure. It is a triangular chamber present on the dorsal side of the heart of frog. Okay, dorsal side of the heart of frog. It opens into which atrium? It opens into right atrium. It opens into right atrium, friends. Okay, friends. Next, this sinus venosus. See, friends, it receives blood from various body parts. Friends, we have three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Veins are the blood vessels which carry blood from body parts to heart. Here in frog, the veins of all the body parts fuse to form three main veins. Three main veins. Those main veins are called as, friends, vena cava or caval veins. Friends, here this is important one. You have to remember it. It is useful to in your second year also. Whenever you hear the word vena cava, they are what, friends? They are the main veins. Caval veins means main veins. So in frog, our frog has three main veins. What are they? They are vena cava or caval veins. Actually, here they have not given, friends. There are two precaval veins and one postcaval vein. Friends, here you see in the image. See, friends, these two are precaval veins or superior vena cava. This is postcaval vein or inferior vena cava. Please, no need to write this in the IP test, friends, but you have to remember. Once again, friends, see, sinus venosus, it is present, it is a triangular chamber. It is present on the dorsal side of the heart of frog. It opens into the right atrium. Okay. This sinus venosus receives blood from three main veins. These main veins are called as what, friends? Vena cava or caval veins. Vena cava or caval veins. Friends, here you see the flow blood, body parts to veins. These veins fuse to form three main caval veins. This caval veins opens into the sinus venosus. Sinus venosus opens into the right atrium. You have to remember it, friends. Okay, that is about the sinus venosus. Now come to one more word, friends. Conus arteriosus. Friends, this sinus venosus and conus arteriosus are not present in mammals, not present in man. You have to remember it. Okay, conus arteriosus. It is present on the ventral side of the heart. Sinus venous is present on the dorsal side of the heart. Conus arteriosus is present on the ventral side of the heart. Friends, see arteriosus. It is the main artery. You have to say. Next, ventricles opened into the conus arteriosus. See, friends, conus arteriosus is present on the ventral side of the heart. Ventricle. How many ventricles are there in frog? Frog has only one ventricle. That ventricle opens into the conus arteriosus. Means blood from ventricles enters into the conus arteriosus. See, friends, this conus arteriosus bifurcates into two branches. This conus arteriosus bifurcates. రెండు శాఖలుగా విడిపోద్ది నాన్న. into two branches. Once again friends, each branch is divided into three aortic arches. Conus arteriosus మొదట ఏమైందమ్మా రెండు శాఖలుగా చీలింది ఫ్రెండ్స్. Each branch once again splits into three branches. Those three branches are called as what friends? Aortic arches. Aortic arches అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మెయిన్ ఆర్టరీస్. Main arteries. How many aortic arteries are there? One side 3 and the other side 3. It has total 6 aortic arches. Each branch is divided into 3 aortic arches. Such as, what are those aortic arches? Carotid arch, systemic arch, pulmocutaneous arch. Friends, right and left carotid arch, right and left systemic arch, right and left pulmocutaneous arch. Carotid arch or carotid artery, main artery. Systemic arch, systemic artery. Pulmocutaneous arch. Friends, here I have not given, in the textbook also not given, but you remember, carotid artery or carotid arch supplies blood to the head. Systemic arch supplies blood to the body parts. Pulmocutaneous, pulmo means lungs friends, cutaneous means skin. Pulmocutaneous arch supplies blood to the lungs and skin friends. Okay, carotid arch, systemic arch and pulmocutaneous arch. Okay friends, now see friends, aortic arches supply blood to all body parts. Aortic arches supply blood to what friends? All body parts. Once again you see friends image, frog heart has three chambers, two upper two are atria, lower one is ventricle. Okay, next see friends, this is sinus venosus. Okay, is it okay friends? Once again friends, once again, what is the structure of heart of frog? Write the structure of heart of frog. It is present on the anterior ventral part of the body cavity, triangular in shape, pumping organ, muscular organ. It has three chambers. Upper two chambers are atria, lower single chamber is ventricle. Okay friends, this heart is covered by a double layered membrane. What is that? It is pericardium. Next friends, it has two additional chambers. One is sinus venosus and then one is conus arteriosus. Come to sinus venosus. It is a triangular chamber present on the dorsal side of the heart and opens into the right atrium. Sinus venosus, triangular chamber, dorsal side of the heart, opens into the right atrium. Sinus venosus receives blood from three main veins. Those veins are called as vena cava or caval veins. Okay friends, now you see the flow of blood into the sinus venosus. Body parts to veins, veins to caval veins into sinus venosus. Okay friends, now come to the another chamber, conus arteriosus. It is present on the ventral side of the heart. Ventricle opens into the conus arteriosus. It bifurcates into two branches. Each branch further divided into three main arches, main arteries. We are calling them as aortic arches. See friends, aortic means main arteries. Aortic means what friends? Main arteries. How many aortic arches are there in frog? 3 plus 3, total 6 are there. What are they? Carotid arch, systemic arch, pulmocutaneous arch. Okay friends, aortic arches supply blood to all body parts. Okay friends, this is about what friends? What is our question? Describe the structure of the heart of frog. Friends, very important and easy question. Okay friends, thank you. Good day.